Hey there YouTubers, it's Friday, so this week's project is clamp storage. I know there's loads of videos out there, but it's kind of my take on how I'm storing my my clamps and why. As you probably know, this is basically a glass room. It's an old conservatory, and this is all the wall space I've got to hang anything on, so I'm very limited and got to be very selective as to what I put in cupboards and what I put on the wall. The last few months I've been getting really hacked off with having to move clamps that have been on the floor or tucked underneath something. I've got to try and dig them out to use them, and then I've never got the right ones for what I'm using, and it just seemed suitable to use this to hang these up. So it's all 1/2 inch ply with a 3/4 inch ply backer. Stick around and we'll find out how it was built. Right, I'm not going to get the sash clamps on here because there's just not enough room. The absolute maximum space I've got is 15 inches. Probably the only project where this is actually readily accessible. That is 20 mil. If I put that right up, that can rest actually physically on, effectively on there like that. Just have to take even more weight. So I can bring that hole much closer to the back. 10 mil. So we'll come in 5 mil from that. So that's 18 plus 5, which is 23. So that way I'll have a bit of a ramp to go in. Not much, just a touch, just so it looks sensible. Right, I'll drill those out and then cut these slots out on bandsaw, 10 mil drill bit. So I've tipped my blade over by to 3 degrees. I'm going to rip this down so that rather than it sitting square, it's got a bit of a tip, so the clamps want to slide in and stay in. Only got a pooch licking my leg. What's up, dog? There it is, it works. Not the most amount of room in the world, but to be honest, I've only got 2 other clamps that are any longer than that. I can't remember the last time I used it, and they live under the bench, so it's going to make things a lot easier. I'm going to keep moving stuff around to get to other stuff, to get on with things. So unique to my circumstances. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Ta-da.